Okay, so I'm gonna pretty much sum up what I've done so far. And it's pretty simple. On the right hand side, this is for the Nissan 2007 4.0 V6 Frontier. How I'm doing it to keep it simplified for people that don't have much experience in this is, like I said, I've pushed this in every video. Take pictures and videos of everything. Like, I don't even know if I need to take a picture of this because I'll probably remember everything, but I do it just in case, because there has been an incident where I forgot one particular thing and I had to take the whole thing apart just to fix that. So the very first thing I took off was the top cover, and that's an obvious. It goes right here, bolts in, 2 bolts, 3 bolts, one back there. So you take that off, and then it's pretty simple. You got the valve cover, take the hose off, twist that up out of the way. You got the wiring. It goes in these little things here. You just kind of squeeze them in the back, and they pop out that way with a pair of needle nose pliers. Boom, boom. These right here, I'm going to unplug them, but I'm going to do them one at a time. Each one of these plugs, I'm going to unplug them one at a time. I'm going to lay them up over here. When I lay them up over here, I'm going to lay them up over there in order. I'll make sure they stay in order. That way I know for a fact I don't mix those up in the end. Right? It's almost like the wires are laid out to the point where they can only go to one spot. But like this one could go back there, but I'm pretty sure if you look at how it's like taped and ran, it'd be hard to mess this up. So anyways, that's what's going on next.